Hello students, next we are going to start chapter number 43, cultural festivals. So our India is a land of culture. Here various fairs and festivals are celebrated in our country. So in different states different types of festivals are celebrated. So here see, first of all, this is celebrated in Gujarat. It is held every year in January in Modhera Sun temple. Name is there of temple Modhera Sun, and this celebration of art, music, dance and culture showcases traditional dance forms of different region of the country. Next, see this is celebrated in Maharashtra. Every year the art festival is celebrated one time in the month of January or February in the Kalagoda district. Name is there of the district Kalagoda. In that district it is celebrated. This festival signifies the art, music and culture of the state. In this festival they are showing their art, music and culture of their state. Next, see this it is celebrated in Rajasthan. This is also annual festival of folk music, dance, clothes and traditions showcasing and the desert life. It is celebrated for 3 days in Rajasthan. They are celebrating this festival for 3 days, where number of competitions are held. Competitions they are doing in this festival. People enjoy snake charmers, puppeteers, acrobats and folk performance are there. So different types of dance is there, some games they will do, like this way they are doing competitions. Next, see this it is celebrated in Kerala. This is a famous festival celebrated annually on the second Saturday in the month of August. On the second Saturday they are celebrating in Kerala. Beautifully crafted boats of different shapes. They are taking boats of different shapes, then they are decorating them different shapes and size, race in the backwater town. Then their race is there in the water in the town of Alappuzha in the Punamada lake. That name is there of the lake Punamada lake, to win the Nehru trophy. They are going in this lake and then a race is there of boats to win the Nehru trophy. Next, see this festival is celebrated in Nagaland. It is a folk festival of northeastern state to popularize the state's beauty. In this festival they are showing their beauty of their state and culture, and it is celebrated annually in the month of December, exhibiting the lifestyle, art and music of the state. In this festival they are showing lifestyle of their state. They are telling about their art and music. Next, see this is related to Punjab, where we are living. This is a sports festival organized in the village of Kila Raipur in the first week of Feb every year. So it is also known as Rural Olympics. Means to them they are saying Olympics also. Sports like they are doing kabaddi, ox racing is there, wrestling and many other are the major events of this festival. Next, see this they are celebrating in Odisha. This festival is India's biggest dance festival. This is the biggest dance festival which is celebrated in the Sun temple annually in February. In the month of Feb they are celebrating it. Many national means which are from India and international which are out of India dance groups visit the festival. They are coming in this festival and they are taking part in the festival and perform various folk and classical dances. Next, see this is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. This dance festival is organized in the beach town of Malappuram. This festival is organized in the beach town of Malappuram in front of magnificent rock sculpture. It is celebrated annually. It is also means in 1 year one time they are celebrating in the month of December or January, in which classical dancers from various institutes unite here to perform. Means from various institutes classical dancers are coming to perform here on the stage. Clear?